This is the OStation 2 Pro 3-in-1 charging station. It's a battery storage compartment, a tester, and also a charger, all in one sleek, compact footprint. Thank you OLIGHT for sending out this product for review, and as well as throwing in a free flashlight and 12 AA and AAA batteries as well. Unlike my other videos, OLIGHT has gotten a chance to review the video before posting, although all thoughts and opinions remain my own. Let's start with the unboxing. OLIGHT actually sent over a little care package for me that includes 12 of their AAA batteries and 12 of their AA batteries. Those are both rechargeable. They also threw in the Warrior Ultra flashlight, which is super bright. And of course, last but not least, on the bottom, the main event, the OStation 2 Pro. Setup is very simple. All you need to do is connect the included USB-C cable to the back. You should see an indicator light indicating that it's powered on. As you can see, the LED screen immediately turns on. With more and more things eating batteries can get pretty expensive while having to buy them over time. This station keeps them nice, charged, and organized, and you can use these batteries for a long amount of time. They're professionally stored here and has a super clean, transparent design that fits in with any space. The screen is super clean, the discard bin is genius. You also have the two pullable drawers to retrieve your batteries. The touchscreen is also very intuitive. It's very responsive. Here you can see the battery indicators. Here you can change a couple settings. And here's where you power it off. Just like Apple where you slide, turn it off. And also the loading system is very clever as well. Now, looking at the build quality of this dock, it's very high quality and it has some good weight to it. You can tell that a lot of time was put into it here. We got the 2.8-inch touchscreen, the discard bin, and the drawers where the batteries come back. We also have these two hatches on either side, clearly marked, so you know which one is which. The semi-transparent case aesthetic, kind of like a frosted black, looks futuristic even in my white setup. Or even on a kitchen counter, really anywhere in the house, it will fit in. And the best thing about this dock is that you can just throw the batteries right in here. You can open the door, doesn't matter which orientation we put them in, so I'll put this in opposite, and the dock will still figure it out and charge it. Retrieving batteries is also just as simple. Look at the bottom, pull out the drawer, we have two AAAs here, take the AAAs out, push it in. This dock supports NIMH and OStation's special AA batteries right here. So it supports all different types of batteries, but I personally recommend the OStation batteries. Moving on to the side of this dock, it has this little flip out feature right here. Flip it out, you see two magnetic rings. This is where you charge OLIGHT flashlights. So here is the flashlight that I received from OLIGHT. As you can see, it's very bright. And underneath here, you can just put this magnetic on here, so I think I should plug in the dock first. See, so there's indicator lights here. And as soon as we put this on the dock, you can see an indicator light right here. So you can charge up to 2 of these flashlights at once while charging your batteries. This makes it a super convenient and compact setup. And if you don't need to charge your flashlight, just fold it up and the footprint gets a lot smaller. I have no batteries in here as all of mine are currently charged. So let's try to throw in a normal AA battery to see the integrity of this dock. Flip it over the double side. Now when we put it in, we don't have to check for the plus and minus polarity. We can put it in anyway, and the dock will figure it out for us. So since this battery isn't rechargeable, it should notice that and put it in this waste bin right here. There it goes. And it will realize that it's not a rechargeable battery, so it'll put it in this discard bin on the bottom. And then the machine has detected that it's a not rechargeable battery. So under here, underneath the little X, it shows a 1. And if we open up this discard bin, you can see the batteries in here. This station is really smart on figuring out which batteries are rechargeable and which ones are not. So there's no risk of damage to anything. This is the OLIGHT Warrior Ultra Flashlight. Inside you get the flashlight itself wrapped in a nice plastic. Then you get a little tab here you get to pull. Under that tab you have an important read-me document. And then you have a little box which you can lift up and open from the sides, which includes a charging cable, a manual, a safety guide, and a case. It's a sleek, dark blue, metal, and rugged build. It has a metal clip on the side so you can clip it onto your pants. It also has a top on and off button and also an ultra button on the front. You can unscrew the back cap to reveal the massive battery, and you can also charge it with the OStation 2 Pro dock. Here's a quick view of what it looks like outside in my backyard when it's pitch black. Overall, the dock, the batteries, and the flashlight are all very, very high quality. The Warrior Ultra Flashlight goes for $139 normally. The OStation 2 Pro by itself goes for $139. And the OStation 2 Pro with 12 AA and 12 AAA batteries usually goes for $197. OLIGHT is running a special promotion from now until May 28th where they offer up to 25% off of the OStation 2 Pro on Amazon. I'll have the link down in the description below if you'd like to check it out for yourself. I want to say thank you again to OLIGHT for sending out this care package for me to review and post on my channel. OLIGHT also has numerous other products including other flashlights, more docks, and anything that you would need to help with everyday needs. Thank you all for watching, and as always, have an amazing day.